Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Sign in with an administrator account, create a restore point, and ensure Windows plus GPU drivers are updated. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Gaming, then Game Mode. Turn Game Mode off. This first step stops Windows from forcing resource prioritization for games. Make sure to save any work before toggling settings. If Game Mode switch is missing, proceed to the next steps to remove overlays, services, and registry flags that enforce a game-focused profile. Next, remove components that recreate game mode behavior. Disable Xbox Game Bar in Settings Right Arrow Gaming and stop related background services via Services. MSC. Then open your GPU control panel and disable overlays for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Overlays can keep game optimizations active. After that, inspect Task Scheduler for Microsoft or OEM tasks that run game mode jobs and disable them. Once these are disabled, double-check Focus, Assist, and Notification settings so they don't reintroduce interruptions. Finally, restart the PC and confirm game mode. Xbox Game Bar and GPU overlays remain off. Test with a short play session to verify CPU and GPU scheduling behave normally. If performance regresses or settings revert, use the restore point or roll back GPU drivers in Device Manager. If you edited the registry, import your backup to restore defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: always back up the registry and create a restore point before making changes so you can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.